Hello guys, it's Dale here with the Daily Levels commentary for the 17th of August 2017. Let's start with Eurodollar. There have been some pretty crazy movements lately. The first was caused by the FOMC minutes yesterday. Our short level at 1782 got hit right there, and there was a pretty quick reaction to that level. So if you were trading that, it was a profit, but unfortunately I didn't take that trade, so there was no profit for me. And as far as today's trades are concerned, unfortunately there was a pretty strong sell-off. I don't really know what caused that, but unfortunately it resulted in two stop losses. First was from our long trade at 1738. You can see that there was absolutely no reaction to this strong volume cluster there. And the second stop loss was right there at 1705 long level. It was very strong long level, and I was pretty surprised that the price just blew past that strong support zone. This gives me information of pretty strong sellers on the euro dollar right now, and I think that there are two pretty strong levels to go short from today. The first level is at 1734. This short level is based on this volume cluster. You can also notice that it's very similar level as the long level we had today. So this is the first short level that I like to trade today, and the second short level is right there at 1756, and it's based on this volume cluster that was created within this strong selling activity. I think that strong sellers were adding to their selling positions there and pushing the price lower. So for that reason, I think that if there is a pullback to this area, it will act as a strong resistance zone, and those strong sellers will push the price lower once more. Let's go into the Australian dollar, US dollar. There were two winning trades yesterday. The first was short trade from 78.37 short level. The second one was short trade from 78.88. As far as today's levels are concerned, I have three levels that I'd like to trade. I've got this long level at 78.85, which is based on this strong volume cluster that got created within this strong buying activity. And the second long trade is at 78.56, based on this volume cluster that was also created during this strong buying activity. I think that strong buyers were adding to their buying positions at those two significant places, and I think that if there is a pullback to any of those, there will be reactions to those strong zones, and that strong buyers will become aggressive and they'll try to push the price higher from those areas. I've also got a short level that I like to trade. It's a short level from 79.70, and it's a pretty old short level, as you can see. And this level is based on those heavy volumes, or volumes probably made by strong sellers that were pushing the price very aggressively lower right there. So I think that if there is a pullback to this area, those strong sellers will become aggressive and push the price lower once more. Let's have a look at the US dollar or Canadian dollar. There are two levels that I like to trade. Both are short levels. The first one is at 26.65. It's based on this volume cluster that was created within this strong selling activity. I think that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers pushing the price lower and adding to their selling positions. So if there is a pullback to this area, I think that it will be a very nice opportunity for us to enter our short trades from there. My second short level is at 27.09. The reason for that is also strong volume cluster. You can see on yesterday's profile right there. And I also think that this volume cluster was created by strong sellers that were adding to their selling positions in this price action area. And I believe that if there is a pullback to this area, those sellers that were accumulating their selling positions there will be defending those positions, and they'll push the price lower once more. Let's go into the US dollar Japanese yen. As you can see, our two long levels got hit yesterday, but those got hit during the FOMC event, so I discarded those levels. I weren't trading at all during the FOMC and of course after the FOMC. So there was no trade on the US dollar Japanese yen for me. And as far as today's trades are concerned, unfortunately I took a stop loss from our short trade right there from 110.18. As you can see, the price just spiked through our stop loss right there. It was during ECB minutes, and I was in the market and I took a stop loss there. I have a one short level today that I'd like to trade. It's a short level at 110.51. This short level is based on this volume cluster that was created within the strong selling activity during the FOMC minutes yesterday. And I think that strong sellers were adding to their selling positions in this area. And I think that if there's a pullback to this area, those strong sellers will be defending their selling positions and they'll push the price lower once more. So guys, those were today's intraday levels. I look forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.